All right, I thought I'd make a quick video about something that you might want to keep your eye out for if you're working on or fixing a Kominka. It's something small that you might sort of overlook, might be mixed in with a lot of other sort of rusting or discarded items, and that is a Yakiin. A lot of the households will have something like this. It's basically a branding iron, and it was used to mark various household items. In this case, I have a morobuta here, which has the mark of the household. Sometimes it's very simple. The one for this house here, which is my house where I'm filming here, the previous owner was Ura-san, so the Yaki-in is in the shape of, there's a roof shape here, which you often find, and then just the katakana symbol U. Oftentimes you'll also find a kanji, so here you've got just one half of the roof. It looks like it might have broken off. It probably was a full roof at one time, but then the kanji symbol here from the family name, and then other times it might be something more like the family crest, actual shape rather than a character, more like this. And then I also have one that I happened to get when the town knocked down the old middle school before rebuilding it, and they invited folks to come in and grab things that they could use before it all got knocked down, thrown away, whatever. And I found this branding iron there in the school. So, like I mentioned, you'd often find things that belong to the house, usually wooden things, marked with the symbol for the house. And like I said, this morobuta here, which is also something that you often find in these kominka, you'd find more than one. It would be a stack of them usually, used for a variety of things. Mochi, after you roll them into balls, setting in here, in the tofu and, not tofu, the miso and soy sauce making processes. One of the earlier steps would be to get the beneficial bacteria, the kin, mixed in with the ingredients or growing on the ingredients, and you would often do that in these wooden boxes. So one place you might find that mark is maybe on the side of the box. This one is marked on all sides and the bottom as well. Yeah, so that is about it for now. This has been Brett from Okibi, 暮らしと手仕事. Thanks for watching.